Meditate, gotta meditate, gotta rest, gotta rest, got to rest, gotta rest, take care of the rest, yo fucking bitches, pride troopers, we fucking pride troopers, gang, pride troopers, we fucking pride troopers, gang, meditate, gotta meditate, hey, gotta.
Hi, my name is Big Bird, and I've got a very unusual story to tell you about. This door. Now, I've opened quite a few doors in my day, but it didn't open. Maybe it was locked, I thought. But then an idea popped into my head like this. What if I tried a whole different way of opening this door? A way I've never tried before.
What's up, fucker?